Hi everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In today's video, I'm gonna tell you how to fix Samsung Galaxy Z Flip 6 camera not working problem. In this device, if you are facing camera field error, don't worry, I'm gonna show you how to fix this issue. But before we get started, don't forget to hit the subscribe button and ring the notification bell so you never miss out on new videos and stay updated. Let's get started.